it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning and disinfecting my kids' disgusting bathroom. I don't know about you, but cleaning bathrooms, especially my kids' bathroom, is my least favorite chore. So for some cleaning motivation, along with helpful tips on disinfecting, stay tuned. I am going to start out by removing everything that is loose on top of the sink, toilet, and in the shower. Putting all of the bathroom linens in the washing machine on a hot cycle with regular detergent and bleach, and then I add the Lysol laundry sanitizer to the rinse cycle. Then I use the Method anti-bac spray and I spray it on all of the surfaces in the bathroom. In order to properly disinfect your bathroom, you have to let the product sit for at least 10 minutes. And this product is really easy to find, any disinfectant that says kills 99.99% of all bacteria and viruses. You guys know the drill, but you have to let that product sit. You can't just spray it and wipe it off. That is just considered cleaning and is not considered disinfecting. If you let it sit for 5 minutes, it will kill some of the bacteria, but it won't have time to kill all of the viruses. So that would just be considered sanitizing. So remember, a quick clean is just that, a clean. If you let it sit for a little bit, it's sanitizing. If you let it sit for 10 minutes or more, you are actually disinfecting the surfaces. And you'll see later on that I do use other cleaners and things after this initial 10 minutes, but I wanted to make sure that I sprayed everything down first and let it sit. I'm actually super proud of them that this is the only toothpaste that they have stuck inside of the sink this week. You guys know that it can get out of hand in the kids' bathrooms. I've seen this thing going around on TikTok where people are mixing their kids' mouthwash and toothpaste together and putting it inside of a soap dispenser and having the kids pump their toothpaste onto their toothbrush. I think it's a brilliant idea, especially for my almost 10-year-old, but I think my 3-year-old will get a thrill out of just pumping the soap dispenser and it will still end up everywhere. Now that the toilet has been marinating in disinfectant for at least 10 minutes, I'm just going to wipe it down using paper towels. Typically, I would use Clorox wipes for this step, but I didn't have any on hand, and actually, they're really getting harder and harder to find. I know initially during the whole panorama, it was hard to find them, and then they started to become more readily available, and now I feel like they're starting to disappear again, which is weird, but all that to say, I'm using paper towels to wipe it down, which is fine, and you'll see that I'm going to go in with another cleaner after this.
It's no delay for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like great machines. Strip me down to my bare bones. Haven't had a pause yet, maxing out my mistakes. All my dreams might be made of gold. Dizzy on a Sunday, knocked out on the Mondays. All the shallow friends are mine. I got that champagne dripping from inside my spine.
Now I'm going to tackle the inside of the toilet. There were things stuck to the inside of the toilet, so I needed to physically clean the inside of the toilet. I'm doing that using the Clorox disposable wand situation, and we're going to get that nice and clean. Of course, I'm going to make sure the actual wand itself is clean. I'm going to make sure the disposable head goes straight into the trash, and I'm going to also wipe down the little canister that holds the refills. Now, because I'm a cleaning product junkie and I'm extra, we're going to spray everything down one more time, just for good measure.
To let it go to my beat, rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete, moving like great machines. Strip me down to my bare bones.
Now moving on to the bathtub, you saw earlier that I sprayed the shower and tub down with the Scrubbing Bubbles shower cleaner. I love that cleaner. I use it all the time. And I am trying a couple of new things today in the bathtub. The first being this magic eraser. No, I'm not new to magic erasers, but this magic eraser is filled with a lavender scented soap, and the sponge is supposed to be specially made for the bathroom. So of course the soap smelled great and the sponge was really effective. I wasn't surprised about that. The second thing you'll see in a little bit, but I'm just using the sponge to scrub everything down to make sure all the soap scum is gone, and it did it with ease. I am wishing that I did things in a different order. You'll see what I mean later. I should have done the mat that I'm wiping down right now first, and then scrub the inside of the shower and tub down, but I didn't. I mean, it's fine. So I am trying out this spray from Super Clean, and thank you Super Clean for sending this over to me to try. I used it to scrub the bottom side of the shower mat, the side with the suction cups, because there are a lot of stuck-on things that tend to accumulate and build up under there. So this worked really well, especially with my little brush. I'm also using the Super Clean spray to wipe down the lower cabinetry. And now that everything is back in place, I'm going to put some new toothbrushes out for the boys. It's recommended that you replace them every 2 to 3 months, but I'm probably replacing them every 2 to 3 weeks. They're either missing or mangled. I don't get it. So once I am done with that, I'm going to spray the floor down with my Fabuloso and bleach mix. Their bathroom is not big enough for a whole bucket and mop situation, so I'm just going to spray it down and use my Swiffer wet jet. Because I pretty much clean the floor when I clean the big toilet and the little toilet, I'm okay with using my little reusable mop head thing that I got off of Amazon. Their bath mat came out of the dryer full of lint balls. Frequently touched surfaces like toilet seat handles, door handles, and light switches can accumulate more germs than a toilet seat itself. So a quick spray of Lysol is the cherry on top to a fully clean and disinfected bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. And if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye.